Assalamu alaikum. So today in my video I'm going to talk about depression versus sadness. There is a very big misconception about sadness versus depression. Sometimes we label our sadness as depression. Sadness is a emotional reaction towards any mishap or something if something went wrong in our life. But depression is a mental illness. It's like if we are sneezing, it doesn't mean that we have got cold. Similarly, if something bad happened to us, we should feel sad about it. It's a normal emotional reaction towards something. But depression is a very long-term illness, which should be treated through a counselor, through a psychotherapist or a psychologist or psychiatrist if it prolongs for a very long time. Sadness is not chronic, but depression is chronic illness. Sadness is brief, whereas depression is persistent. Sadness goes away by the time, but depression stays with us for years, for months, for we don't know how long. Sadness doesn't require any professional help, but in depression we need professional help, as it can cause a lot of issues in our life. Sadness is a normal part of our life, but depression isn't. Sadness come and go, but depression doesn't come and go. It just stays with us for lifetime if it goes untreated, or if we do not take it seriously. Sadness is very specific. It can be due to loss of our job, loss of our loved one, or if we have break up with someone. But sadness isn't. Sadness is very vague. We are not sure about why we are depressed, why we are down for this long. We are unclear about our condition. Sometimes the individual doesn't even know that he or she is suffering from depression. So sadness is something, it's taken away as a misconception all over the world, that if someone is sad about something, on the loss of some loved one or on a breakup, we just use a term as we are very depressed. Try to change it as we are very sad, as depression is very serious mental illness. Sadness is objective, whereas depression is subjective. From objective I mean that sadness is something which we know the severity of it, and we know how long it can prolong. But depression is something which is subjective, and it needs a professional diagnosis and professional help. Sadness is a very short-term effect, whereas depression is a very long-term effect. Sadness can be for a day, for 2 days, for a week, for 2 weeks, but it won't prolong that much. Depression is something which is very long-term, and it affects our normal life, our social life, our work life. Everything is affected by depression. आपका कोई काम करने का उठकर दिल नहीं चाहता करने को. डिप्रेशन के लिए हम एक आहिस्ता आहिस्ता एक बिल्डिंग एक चीज़ हो रही होती है. हम लोगों को अंदाज़ा नहीं होता है, हम उसको समझ भी नहीं पा रहे होते हैं. उस टाइम पे एक इंसान की मेंटल स्टेट इस कंडीशन में नहीं होती है कि दैट ही और शी वुड अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज़ गोइंग ऑन. आपकी फ़िज़िकल हेल्थ अफेक्ट हो रही होती है, आपके थॉट पैटर्न्स अफेक्ट हो रहे होते हैं, आप रैशनल थिंकिंग से हट चुके होते हो. आप हर चीज़ को आपको यूँ लग रहा होता है यू आर जस्ट क्लोज्ड इन अ बॉक्स. आपके अंदर गिल्ट, वर्थलेसनेस, बिल्कुल भी मैं तो किसी काबिल ही नहीं हूँ, ये चीज़ इतनी बिल्ट इन हो चुकी होती है कि आपका दिल नहीं चाह रहा होता कि आप उठकर कोई काम करो, विच लीड्स यू टूवर्ड्स सेल्फ हार्म, सुसाइडल थॉट्स, सुसाइडल आइडिएशन एंड सुसाइड इन द एंड. So depression is something very real. If it goes untreated, it won't fade away. But if you are feeling that something कि आप पहले डाउन थे, now it fade away हो गया है, तो इसका मतलब है that is sadness, not depression. Sadness is something which affects our mood. मेरा दिल नहीं चाह रहा ये करने को, मैं ये अभी नहीं करूँगा. When I feel okay, I'll do this. Depression is not like this. Depression affects our life, physically, mentally, emotionally. हमारा कुछ करने को दिल नहीं चाह रहा होता, हम उठ नहीं सकते, हम कोई काम नहीं कर सकते. It affects our eating habits, our social life, everything. जैसे मैंने पहले भी सब कुछ बताया कि it takes away interest in from life. कुछ भी नहीं दिल चाह रहा होता करने को, हमारा लाइफ से एक इंटरेस्ट डेवलप ही नहीं हो पा रहा होता. तो हम लोगों का एक वो फोकस टूवर्ड्स लाइफ, टूवर्ड्स आवर गोल, सब कुछ ख़त्म हो चुका होता है. If something fades away, by the time it means that was sadness. Sadness prolonged नहीं होती. If you are laughing with your friends and you feel sad alone, it means that is sadness. If you are doing normal things at workplace और वापस कमरे में आके अगर मैं रो रही हूँ, it means that is sadness. I am unhappy about it. I am not depressed. Few days ago, I read a post of an influencer on Instagram. And she said something like, I don't feel like doing anything, but I smile with my family, and then I watch a season in my room, and I cry in my washroom, but I try to stay happy in front of my family. If you are depressed, you won't fake it. आपसे fake होगा ही नहीं, because you are not sure about it, how you are feeling. आप उसमें fake नहीं कर सकते हो. आप अपनी फैमिली को ये नहीं दिखा सकते हो कि आई एम डिप्रेस्ड बट आई एम हैप्पी इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू. इट इज़ वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू फेक योर मूड एट दैट टाइम बिकॉज यू आर अनअवेयर ऑफ दैट. मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम यू आर अनअवेयर ऑफ दैट. एंड इन द एंड आई वुड से दैट डिप्रेशन नीड्स अ प्रोफेशनल हेल्प एंड इट वॉन्ट फेड अवे लाइक दैट. सो इफ़ यू फील लाइक इट, try to get professional help from someone or the professional diagnosis. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share my video.